We're going to take a quick look at the maintenance of a Horning 1403 corn head and what you will need to look at each season as you pull the head out and get ready for the corn harvest, and also your daily maintenance. These two bearings are the only two bearings that need daily grease. You check them once a day, put a pump in, and you'll be good to go. Underneath the head, you will find your chain couplers, and there's two grease zerks on your large gearboxes that are considered once a year maintenance. So if you have it on the chopper, block it up on a level spot while you're checking the oil in the gearboxes. Also, give each of those a pump or two of grease once a year. The greasing instructions are also on page 52 through 55 on the Horning 1403 manual. It's available online for you to download, or you can call us and we can send you a hard copy for clarity. One of the things most farmers tend to forget is the slip clutch. This is an FP mount unit. The John Deere mount, scale mount, or whatever you may have will also have a slip clutch, just look a little different. The maintenance is the same on them all. Loosen them off to the point that you know they will slip, and then retighten them again. So the day that you make a mishap, hopefully it'll protect your head from major damage. The only chain on the head, check that once a year. Otherwise, they're generally fairly low maintenance, and give us a call if you have any other questions.